Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together.
I treat 1 minute like surgery: preparation, entry, exit. Every step deliberate. Even my breathing sync with the chart's rhythm. Precision isn't tension, it's focus, and that's how you stay sharp without burning out.
We found a good entry point right away. We can see the CCI indicator exiting the oversold zone. Let me show you this. From this local minimum, the CCI moves upward, confirming the exit from the oversold area. Here we have a strong point of contact and a clear price pullback, which gives us a good setup. After this pullback and the information of a new local low, we open a trade again in the direction of the trend. You can already see the result. Everything is simple: trade with the trend, and that's the rule we always follow when trading on the OTC market. This approach consistently brings positive results.
Most people think trading is just about signals, but that's not how real progress happens. I run live sessions where I personally guide people through real strategies and show how to apply them in practice. You can join the free strategy practice inside my Telegram, get daily trading signals, and even access the VIP group for advanced setups. Hit the link below and start your free strategy practice today.
Once again, the trade closes in profit.
I treat the chart like a mirror. It reflects how calm or chaotic I am. If I am impatient, I see noise. If I am focused, I see structure. Direction starts inside the trader, not on the screen. The market follows mindset. Today, I entered exactly at a weak retest. Stop below structure, clear confirmation. The candle snapped in my direction instantly. That's the beauty of small time frames, immediate truth. Precision pays fast.
Here we will open a trade for an upward movement, following the main trend direction. In this case, we are simply trading along the trend. Let's highlight the working area. We can see that a new local low has formed, and after a pullback, we can expect the upward movement to continue, especially since the CCI indicator is exiting the oversold zone. Everything here is quite straightforward. So let's observe how this trade develops. A little more than 15 seconds remain before the trade closes. And once again, the trade closes successfully in profit.
There are moments I can't explain, but I act anyway, because I've seen that behavior before. The hesitation of price, the tick rhythm, it's familiar. That's when instinct takes control, confidence born from proof. How do you make over 1,000 a week from trading? In my Telegram I give free education and show real strategy breakdowns and share daily signals with up to 80% win rate. Join the Sawyer community and start learning today.